1, 2, 3, throw. Oops. 1, 2, 3, throw. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, throw. Ooh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, throw. Throw yours, Kai. There it is.
What if I throw it on the wall?
No, thank you.
Why?
Because I don't want it to stick. You can throw it on Daddy's office door. You can throw it on the ground.
Wow. Wow. Yeah.
It works better on the wood door, actually.
Why?
I don't know. Okay.
What about